Hey guys, this is Ashish Bhatt, and this is going to be my first video on YouTube. I hope you guys like it. And this video is going to be about me unboxing the MacBook Pro 14-inch. And yeah, let's just get into it right away. Let's see what's on the box. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you could see, it has got 10 cores of CPU, 16 cores of GPU, and I guess 16 cores of neural, and it also got 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the box. Yeah, this machine is going to cost you around 3,200 euros or approximately 2,900 US dollars. Yeah, so yeah, let's just try to open this box up. There's a pull strap here. You can just simply, pull this up, and then hopefully you should be able to unbox it pretty easily. Let's just do it. Okay. So yeah, this is the box. Let me just try to open this up. Okay, so you can see here's the laptop. Just put it here for now. And you can see some paperwork here. Where's it here? Yeah, you can see some black stickers, some for pros. And yeah, your warranty guide and the instruction manual and all. So yeah, some very basic stuff. You can read about it. Yeah, so I'll just not go into detail into this one. It's just there. Okay, so here we have the adapter, power adapter. Let's try to open this thing up. Yeah, from here. So paper wrapping, felt like a bit heavy. Okay, so it's a USB-C connection. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this one is a 96 watt power adapter, but you're not going to get this 96 watt one if you purchase the basic model of the MacBook. Since this is not a basic one, we've got a 96 watt one. Okay, so the next interesting thing, if you can see, is this braided USB-C to MagSafe cable. I don't know if you guys know about this, but these MacBooks, have got the MagSafe, which is really nice. And this cable also, feels really good. Yeah, that's a nice touch here. Okay, yeah, we don't need this stuff anymore, hopefully. Let's just try to open up the machine itself. Okay, it's again a paper wrap. Okay, need this one. Okay, so yeah, let's just take a look at this MacBook. This is definitely much thicker than its previous generations, and the reason for this is obvious. They have provided so many different ports you know, quick look. So yeah, that's the reason why it is thicker. So yeah, let's just take a look at the ports on this side. Oh, okay. Maybe you didn't notice this, but now this thing has a MacBook Pro engraved on the chassis itself. Yeah, looks nice. Looks really nice. So yeah, on one side you get the MagSafe port, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, an audio jack, and on the other side an SDXC, again a Thunderbolt 4, and then a full HDMI. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this one, but yeah, this is really nice. You know, having a dedicated HDMI port is really nice. It makes things much easier. Let's take a look at the machine itself. Okay, it's a paper thing. Okay, so the first thing that I'm noticing here is the keyboard itself. You know, this keyboard has a black background to it, and of course the touch bar is gone. I'm happy about this change though. This touch bar was really annoying when I was typing. So yeah, I like these dedicated physical function keys. Yeah, but the Touch ID is still there. If you see, Touch ID is still there, and it has a slight dip to it, which feels really nice. You can easily identify this one. Okay, what else? Let me just try to see. Ooh. Yeah.
Pour utiliser le français comme langue principale.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. So the touch is also good on these keys. They feel really nice. It has a real, a travel, some travel to it. So overall, it looks nice. Yeah, I like this change. I don't know if you can see, it has a notch. I don't know. I don't know if you can see this thing, but it has a notch, and the cursor goes behind the notch and come out. Yeah. But this thing also has the webcam. But just to mention it, this thing does not have a Face ID. It has a 1080p webcam, which is an improvement from 720p, but this does not have a Face ID, even though it has this notch. They just didn't provide it. Okay, so that's more or less about it, I would say. And the screen is liquid retina XDR display, which is really bright. I can already see it's real bright. It's really bright. Let's just try to set up this machine really quickly. Hey guys, so I have set up the machine, and it's up and running. So yeah, let's just try to watch some HDR content, and let's see.
Das ist Leonie.
Does it
Und das können
feel?
Folgen einer Meningokokkenerkrankung sein.
try to yeah, so it looks really bright uh, and very crisp, and sound itself is also kind of similar. Um, at least what I could feel. It's good, you know, the usual stuff that you get with the MacBook Pro or MacBook, or rather MacBook speakers are, are actually crisp. So yeah, this is what it is. We could also, try to open up the camera app and webcam and see. Hey guys, so yeah, it looks really crisp. 1080p, and yeah, it's definitely much better than the previous one. Yeah, that's all I can say here. Nice stuff. Yeah. I think that's about it. That's all about this video, I guess. So please let me know if you have liked this video or not. If you've liked it, you can hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. Let me know how can I improve my further videos by putting comments in the comment section down below, and yeah, I'll be making more such videos. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and cheers. Yeah. See you next time.